Hey there, Sugar Pies. How we doing? How we feeling? Today's video is going to be the unboxing of my Shannon Rose subscription box. And this actually, I heard from her the other day that this is actually going to be her last subscription box. How ironic, because it was actually going to be my last one. I wanted to test the water just to see how it was, and while the going was okay, I just felt like I don't benefit from the items in the gift box personally enough to where I wanted to keep up the subscription. But it is her last one, so it's my last and my final subscription box, and I'm really excited about seeing what's inside of it. The one for Christmas, was it Christmas? Yes, Christmas was awesome. I actually really loved that box. The one for October I did not like as much. So this one I guess would represent Valentine's Day, and I'm a little bit late getting my box open. I have avoided all videos that may talk about this particular box so that I will be totally surprised when I look at it. So yeah, so I am going to go ahead and do my unboxing. I have it sitting here in my lap now, and we're gonna see what all is in it. Usually always she has a little card in the subscription box, and this says Rose Found Cult, and so that is really a cute little card. And then of course this is the telling or explaining everything that's inside the gift box, and so I don't want to look at it because I kind of want to just open it up and be surprised. And you all know she does always have everything wrapped so pretty. She always has this little what do you call it, this little I want to say stamp, whatever it is, but the little seal to hold her the paper on, and it has a little rose on it. And so let's just open this up and see what's inside. I'm all excited. Here is all the little fixings of the paper, and as most of you know, most of her, well, everything in her gift box is cruelty free, because or big cruelty free and or vegan, depending on what the particular item might be. The first thing I'm going to pull out is the Parisian Rose Purified Body Spray and Mist. Now I might like that, and I don't have anything on today, so hey, I might have to spray a little bit of that on just to see how I like it. So I do like the Pacifica brand, by the way. I have a few things. I always have gotten my Pacifica brand from Target. I haven't bought anything lately because I've been on this quest to do my home, but yeah, I do like the Pacifica brand, so I'm really interested in seeing how I'm going to like that. The next thing that I'm looking at is a sponge gully, I guess, and French lavender. Lavender is one of my favorite scents. This box might be good for me, and I do love sponges. So yeah, it's got a little black string on it, and it says, what does it say on there? I cannot tell because it's black and it's a glare. I cannot read that for the sake of my life. Let's get these glasses out and see if that helps. I don't know if it'll help, but sometimes when the eyes are working, you can see things a little bit better. Oh, okay, I had it upside down. That's why I couldn't read it. It says sponge jelly. Okay, I want to say geology. Sponge jelly, and so I can smell lavender through the paper, which is a good sign. That means that it might smell really good when it is opened. Oh my gracious. Okay, I love my rose necklaces. You guys know that is something that I have worn. Let's take these glasses off. I have worn my necklace a lot, and now there are stud earrings inside of here, and I do have a second hole. A pair of studs usually don't work for me on a day-to-day basis. You guys, you know, I like the big ones, but I do have a second hole, and I love wearing studs in my second hole. And I say that, and I'm about to tell you all something. You know, I've been doing this minimalist thing, so who knows, maybe y'all might see me just wearing these just by themselves, and maybe my diamonds behind it or something. I don't know, but they're absolutely gorgeous. I don't know how well this camera's gonna pick this up because they are very small, but yeah, I love them because like I said, you guys know how much I enjoy my necklace. So ooh, I may have to wear that tomorrow. And let's see what we got here. We've got lemon snackaroon. This is a grab and go coconut snack for the whole family. Okay, so I have a slight allergy to coconuts, so this is something I probably won't be able to eat. I'll probably share this with someone. And then this one is, oh, they're both the same thing. So unfortunately I won't be able to snackaroo on this, but sounds interesting. Now this one is a snot. This one is a chocolate snackaroo, and this one is a lemon. So but because they are with coconut in them, I can either enjoy either one of those. But hey, like I said, I don't mind sharing. And then, oh, now this is gorgeous. I think, you know, everything in this box was meant for me, you know, like everything except for the candy, which that's fine. I don't need that anyway, if you know what I mean. But yeah, so this is Hello Gorgeous. And you guys, I don't know if you know this, but Hello Gorgeous or Hello Beautiful is something I start my day with every single day of my life. There was a period of my life where I was very sad and I had a lot of really unfortunate things happening to me, and I thought very unhighly of myself. And so when I came to realization that it was them and not me, I started this new thing for me. And every morning when I wake up, I literally look in the mirror and I say, good morning, beautiful. Good morning, gorgeous. Hello, gorgeous. Hello, beautiful. Something to that nature. So seeing this book really sets close to home. I really like it. It has lots of color in it, and it is a notebook aligned pages. So, you know, you can just kind of, you know, right away, I can use this maybe to jot down videos that I want to do, or, you know, I can just have it to jot down. I love journals and notebooks and things like that. I have a large collection of them, and sometimes they just sit. I just love to look at them because they're pretty. I know that sounds crazy. I'm sure I'm not the only one, so comment below and let me know if you do that, if you buy notebooks or journals. Like, I have a journal that I do journal in, and I have a notebook that I keep a lot of things in, but then I have tons of other ones that I just have and I just love them. I don't know. So anyway, yeah, so I really like the notebook, and so I think that might be everything that's in the box this go round. I think so. Yes, all I see now is paper, more of this fun stuff, and then the paper that seals it at the bottom. So yeah, honestly, I do really like everything that was in my box today. I might sample the candy. Like I said, I have a slight allergy to it. Okay, me and this box are gonna fight. I gotta figure out how to put it back together. I do have a slight allergy to coconut. While I can have a very small amount, I have to be just careful how much I have on the intake. So I might just sample it just to see how it tastes. But yeah, so I really, like I said, I love everything that's in the box. This was probably, I don't know, the last two boxes were awesome. So it kind of makes me think I would have I kind of had said that I would probably decide after I got this box. And I'll be honest with y'all, from seeing what was in this box this time, I probably would have gone another time, just one more time, just to see if on an off-beaten path, like what I would have gotten in the box, because this was Valentine's Day. Now, ironically, there's nothing in here for Valentine's Day. I just kind of realized that. I guess the rose earrings would kind of represent Valentine's Day, but you know, it doesn't have to be all about Valentine's Day. And let me look. I guess her box, I wanted to see, because you all, I don't know if you know, but her box is, the box always has like a theme on the front. I didn't notice that right away, but I guess Valentine's Day roses, so I guess this one will just speak for itself. I was kind of looking to see if I saw some hearts in there, and honestly, I don't see anything of the nature. I have to look, because the last time the Christmas one I caught, but the Halloween one I totally missed, or I didn't catch that in the October box. But I'm looking and I don't see anything with hearts on it. I just see the roses, which is the basic box of what she, pretty much, rose fam, da-da-da. So yeah, but nonetheless, it, like I said, it didn't have to be anything for Valentine's Day in there for me to enjoy. Honestly, I probably would have at least liked any of because I'm not really into things that are just represent that you can only, like have for that one time. Like, I mean, I do have t-shirts and things like that, that I utilize for work purposes, because dealing with people, you have to sometimes represent different things. But, like, I would have preferred to have not gotten anything like that in this box. So I'm totally okay with everything that came in the box. So Shannon, if you ever happen to watch this video, this box was awesome. Thank you so much for sharing your subscription with us for the short time that you did. It looks like you're moving on to bigger and better things, and I wish you all the greatest success. And At this time, I would like to thank each and every one of you for watching this video. Please comment below if you received the fan box and what you thought of it, or if you didn't receive the box, just comment below and tell me what you thought of some of the things that you saw in the box. If these are things that you would like to have or use, or just kind of share your comments with me. So if you're tuning into my channel for the first time, welcome to Real Life with Sheila. I hope you stick around for a while. By doing so, hit the subscribe button. And right next to the subscribe button, you'll notice there is a notification bell. By hitting that bell, it allows you to be notified each and every time I do a video. And so I would ask that you hit that bell, and that way we'll stay in tune with each other and you won't miss out on any of the great things that I have to offer on my channel. And to all of my returning subbies, I love you so much. Thank you so much for hanging in there with me. I'll see you all in my very next video. Bye.